Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you an illustration of a mountain. For this I am using Montmartre modeling paste. It's a very smooth kind of texture. Using a spatula I am spreading it the shape of a mountain. Try to make a shape of a mountain with more textures using a spatula. I am making the mountain more texture look with this model paste. By making this more textured look, you can feel the roughness of the mountain. Okay, now I let the texture paste dry completely. Then I am applying dark gray shade. It is just an illustration of a mountain. So I am choosing a different color combination for this art. I had a clear idea about the paints to apply for this art, so I chose this gray and gold color combination. So I'm applying this gold for the mountains. I'm using a flat brush to get this kind of strokes. It is just something a slanted kind of a brush strokes for the mountain. Okay, now I'm making the mountain more highlighted look. For that I'm using brown, that is burnt umber. Just a swatches of brown makes this mountain more attractive. Now I'm going to blend this highlighted area with a dry brush. Just drag those brush strokes using a dry brush, like what I'm doing here. I didn't wash my brush. I'm using the same brush for the whole painting. For to get this kind of look and mix of different colors, you don't need to dip the brush in water for every time. Now I'm trying to get the structure of a mountain with a big swatches of brush strokes. This is one of the perfect way of getting the mountain structure in a simple steps. I have been using this technique since I started painting. First, first I do the toning of the canvas, then later I put light colors, then darker shades, then blending the strokes and with the swatches of a dry brush. You can also follow the same steps for your painting and to improve your painting skills. Now this illustration of mountain is almost finished. Now I'm making the highlighting part of my painting. When you have free time or you are stressed out, you can paint, practice, and it's just a kind of art therapy that can improve your mental health. I do painting more often, and it's really helpful for improving my mental health and relieving the stress. So my painting is almost finished. I'm just making the highlighted areas even more precise. Practice with same brush without washing the brush, the dry brush. Once you get the grip of a painting, then it is easy for you to make new painting ideas with different colors. For this artwork, I used white and brown as a highlighting pigments. It is just a way of illustration of mountain in an abstract way, not the clear kind of mountain picture. It's an abstract art of mountain. Now I'm making the sky, which I means the background. It's a gray. I'm trying to make the background little more lighter, which makes the mountain more visible. So this is my favorite part of the painting. That's removing the side back. So let's give the painting a final touches. So here I'm covering all those white spaces of the canvas with darker shades of gray. Yes, and that's it. And so here I'm just a gentle touch of gray on the mountain makes this art more balanced with the whole colors. So that's it. I finished painting, and this is how it looks. I hope you enjoyed watching my tutorial video. Please subscribe.